Hello there dear audience. In this video I will measure how fast each type of healing or repair, let it be ability, passive or call-in. All kinds of infantrymen have 80 health points with the only exception of Soviet shock infantry with 120 health points. For vehicles you need to check the icon on their portraits. In order to give a more useful and full view on it I used fully staffed and capable units, however I will note if a single personal performance can be measured. First I will present healing capabilities and only after this the repair segment. Healing is done to a whole unit and so the number of infantry within don't influence the outcome. It has turned out that medics heal 5 point health per second, let it be from base building, forward headquarter, medical bunker or medic squad. Passive healing only gives a 2 health per seconds while medical crate only 1 every seconds. The other extreme of the scale is medical supply drops and their astonishing 18 health per seconds. However, apart from the speed of healing it is also questionable how many squads can be healed at the same time. It seems that simple medic bunkers can heal up to 3 squads at the time. Meanwhile Wehrmacht Tier 1 building can heal 4 and Soviet 6 at the same time. So don't be afraid to visit your Soviet allies as American. Repairing work is different from healing in the sense that every infantry in a squad has their own repair value. This means the less members a squad have the slower it will repair. The common repair ability gives a 0,5 value for each member. With advanced repair this increases to 1 and with rudimentary this decreases to 0,25. So it is 2,5 health per seconds from most repair units and 3 for Soviet sappers. The advanced repair doubles this while rudimentary halves. Maintenance station upgrades at base buildings do a great 12 health every seconds, meanwhile the separate SEF repair station only gives 9 per seconds. Field maintenance, which is the passive healing for vehicles, produces 4,5 health points in time. The trucks repair aura and special call-in give 7,8 health, so it is rather reasonable to use them. Apart from trucks aura, which is area-based, these can only repair 1 vehicle at the time. I hope this video has been useful for you. Good luck and have fun.